G'day mates, my good friend Eric over at CustomLite makes these fantastic 3D printed CPAP accessories. My favourite would have to be the AirSense 11 custom wall mount. This one here is the magic mushroom version. Psychedelic special, check it out. How good is that? They come in a range of colours, very easy to install. And he also makes one for the AirSense 10. This is more my colour. Now Eric, if you're watching, I've got an idea that will save my viewers a lot of money and hopefully make you some in the process. This here is ResMed ClimateLine Air 11 heated tube system. And these tubes, they're great, but they break a lot. They break right here and here at the join because of all the flexing back and forth. And they're very expensive to replace. Now check this out. This is a Fisher & Paykel sleep style tube, and they're obviously thinking outside the box. You can see here, it has this support bracket for exactly that reason, to stop the break. So perhaps if you can 3D print up a support bracket for the ClimateLine Air tube, I can send you one if you need one, then I think we're on to a winner. And we'll save a lot of people a lot of money in the process. Birds are going nuts. All right, thanks for watching guys. I'll put some information in the description down below if you want to check out all Eric's amazing gear. SleepHQ members get 10% off. How good is that? And if you'd like to become a SleepHQ member, I highly recommend you do. We've got our app launching soon on the App Store. Then click the link above. Until next time guys, sleep well, look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.